How to create Magic NFT account? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create an account on Magic NFT.
Remember, we will be using their official website, magicnft.xyz. Link is in the description. So let's dive right in. Click on the link in description or comments box section. Always double-click to avoid scam. When you click on the link, it will get you to the account creation page. Now, on the account creation page, here you will have to fill all the fields. Follow the steps to create account. Step number 1. In account field, enter your name. Step number 2. In password field, enter a strong password. Step number 3. In second confirmation password field, confirm your password. Step number 4. In phone number field, first select your country code, then enter your valid phone number. Step number 5. Enter your valid email address in email field. Step number 6. After filling all the fields, click on Get Code option. Step number 7. After clicking on Get Code, Magic NFT will send a one-time password or OTP to your email inbox. Step number 8. Open your email, click on 3 lines in top left side corner. Scroll down and click on Spam Folder section. Here you will get a 4 digits OTP. Step number 9. Copy the OTP or manually enter the OTP in verification code field. Step number 10. After entering OTP, click on Sign Up button and that's it. You have successfully created a Magic NFT account in minutes. Remember, after creating an account, you will be logged out automatically and will get the account login page. Here again, enter the account name or username which you were entered while creating an account, and then enter the password which you were entered during account creation and click on Login button. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications button. Got questions or faced issues? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help.